I've got a giant tree at my house that needs to be taken down, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, with an excavator.
We're going to use that excavator to push that tree exactly down that way. We don't know if it'll work, but we'll find out tomorrow.
I figured before we got started on this massive tree demo job, I wanted to actually do something that was a little bit of fun. So I took a Yeti cooler. Well, that's actually not a cooler, it's a submersible duffel bag. It's supposed to be completely watertight, and Yeti makes pretty tough stuff. But this video is not sponsored, and so I wanted to see how tough this thing actually is. And so today, before we actually get to work, we're gonna get to having a little bit of fun. Why not? Gotta have fun sometimes. This is how I have fun.
Yeah. So, Elliot, what do you think of my plan?
I mean, I can only list off half of those things that it'll go wrong, but it'll be fine.
Oh, that one branch hanging over the excavator, Scott. I don't like that. But
Don't worry, Stan. You're in the excavator. I have nothing to worry about.
sketch factor, I would say 6.
Out of 10?
Out of 10.
I'd say 8.
It's just that one branch that's got me nervous. Both tracks are actually hanging over the trailer. And the reason I point that out is it's a little bit sketchy, right, John?
Yeah, it's a full finger and a palm across.
Hey, how's the fuel?
Better than half.
This little purple pool's been through a lot. It's got a little bit more to go through before this video's done.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do?
I really need to learn how to whistle, I think.
What can I do?
Either you really hate Yeti or you really want a sponsorship.
Oh, check it out. All right, I have no clue if this is dry inside. Okay, we broke the pole off. Crap, that's an expensive bag. I really wanted to keep this bag.
Let Frankie make you.
So that's what's called a hydrolock zipper, which means it's pretty stiff and it's made to be waterproof. So this bag's not supposed to allow water into it, but we kind of smashed the teeth when we were crushing it with the 36,000 pound excavator. It's gonna be tough to open it up. The zipper got, yeah, check out the teeth. We smashed those teeth. So even though the zipper was designed to be waterproof, it wasn't designed to be crushed under the bucket of an excavator, I think. What is wrong with this, guys? Come on, Yeti. Oh, a little moist. Moist? That thing was soaked. Come on, man. Alright, I do have to give him credit. I mean, this is just a duffel bag. It's designed to go in the bottom of a canoe and keep your gear dry, so when you get to your campsite, you're not sticking on cold, wet undies. Alright, so here we go. You can see a little bit wet here, through here. Pretty dry. Pretty, and that's with a smashed zipper. That's actually pretty good. Let's see. Oh, a little wetter. Oh, this one's wet. What happens when the zipper smashed, it allowed water to enter into the bag. Wet, but overall, for the beating it took, I'd say it passed pretty good. What do you think, Xander?
Want to go grab an igloo cooler and see if that'll take it?
This isn't a cooler. This is a duffel bag.
Is it just a duffel bag?
Yeah, that's not even a cooler, dude.
I mean, if it was just the zipper, that makes sense.
It's got a hydrolock zipper. Did anything rupture on the bag?
I think so. Maybe we could fill it up with water and find out.
Oh, I suppose we could. Huh. I bet she'd hold water pretty good.
Probably.
All right, there you go. This is the Panga
75.
Yeti Panga submersible duffel, built for sending the airtight submersible gear fortress you can haul anywhere except underneath the bucket of an excavator inside of a kiddie pool.
Now, I know they put a lot of work in their designs, but I don't think they engineer them that. To be fair.
To be fair.
Like,
and, oh, wait a minute. I'm going to get the comment, well, who the hell would do that? I did, because it was kind of fun.
yeah. Did you see how it popped, the first one?
I know. Just like the whole pool ruptured and it just went
great.
everywhere. That was a blast. That was a blast. All right. Well, my wife's not going to be too happy that I wrecked the duffel.
Oh, they include snacks.
That's what's wrong with you. Alright guys, I just want to repeat, this video was not sponsored by Yeti or anybody as far as that goes. We were just having a little bit of fun before our real job starts, which is using that excavator to push that tree exactly down that way. And we're going to see if it'll actually work. We don't know. We're going to find out actually tomorrow. Fingers crossed. That's a really big tree.